Hello and welcome back to the Grade 12th Mathematics Sessions. मैं हूँ आपकी Mathematics Guru Shivani ma'am and today I'm going to continue with the matrices session as the last part of that. Now in the matrices part we have seen what exactly is a matrix as well as we have seen the basic operations on the matrix. Today we are going to do something very important, that is inverse of a matrix. Now this inverse is not only important from the point of view of learning but also from the point of view of examination. Exam में आपका एक दो or you sometimes 3 questions are also fixed from this particular part. Okay? MCQs are also asked from this part as well as full-fledged 3 or 4 marker question will also be there from matrix part. So let's understand what do you mean by inverse of a matrix. Now when we talk about inverse, किसी भी नंबर का inverse is something, जैसे कि जब आप fraction ले रहे हो, तो when you multiply the fraction with its inverse, which is its reciprocal, तो answer आ जाता है 1. Here also, when we multiply the matrix with its inverse, answer आ जाएगा I, which is your unit matrix. Similarly, A inverse A is also I, which is unit matrix. So this only states that inverse we can do for only those matrices which are actually square matrices. क्योंकि I आपका square ही होता है 1 0 0 1 और 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so I2 या I3 is considered like that. So here we can only go with the square matrix. एक और condition which is essential to find out before the matrix of a particular inverse of a matrix is the determinant of that matrix should not be equal to 0. It means it should not be a singular matrix. So let's first see whether we can find out the matrix of a particular thing. Let's see one example. 2 4 3 6. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. A is there. First step we will find out mod of A, or you can say determinant of A. Determinant of A के लिए हम criss cross multiply करते हैं diagonals को. This 12 minus 12, answer is 0. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. In this case, हम A inverse calculate ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. So to find out the A inverse, actually we have to first see that A is not a singular matrix. And then once we come to that, there are 2 ways to calculate the inverse of a matrix. One is basically elementary transformation method and the other is your adjoint method. Now in case of elementary transformation, when we calculate the things, हम उनके rows and columns को इस तरीके से transform करेंगे that they become I, which is your unit matrix. So एक example, let me first start with you, is 2 5 1 3. I am following the method of elementary transformation. Now when we do the calculations or we do the things, you'll notice that calculating by adjoint method is comparatively easier. But still you have to give proper importance to this because in the examination, they'll be asking specifically that do it by elementary transformation or do it by adjoint method. If they are not asking, even I am guiding you, do by adjoint method. Okay, but still let's learn here. First step, finding out the determinant. So this is 2 into 3 minus 5 into 1. So this is 6 minus 5, which is 1. Now since the determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. ये step compulsory है आपका before you find out inverse by any method, whether it is elementary or whether it is by adjoint method. Once you have this, your next step comes as A into A inverse is equal to I, or you can say A inverse into A is equal to I. So we are going to write the thing here. A was 2513. We'll mention A inverse here. I is 1001. By transforming means ये जो पूरा मैट्रिक्स है इसको हमें यूनिट मैट्रिक्स बना देना है. साइमल्टेनियसली आपका राइट हैंड साइड ट्रांसफॉर्म होता रहेगा और I into A inverse will give you the answer as A inverse, because when we multiply unit matrix to anything, the answer is actually that matrix. So let's see how do we do that. एक particular step follow करना पड़ता है. सबसे पहले ये जो आपका टर्म है, this position, this is A11, इसको हम 1 बनाएंगे. उसके बाद जो आपका A21 है, this is the row transformation thing what I am talking about, इसको 0 करेंगे. Then A22 को 1 करेंगे and then A12 को 0 करेंगे. If we follow this particular pattern, we will never make a mistake and we won't get confused in the middle. So यहाँ पे first one को 1 बनाने के लिए हमारे पास एक easy way है, that is R2 and R1 को interchange करते हैं. So when we interchange R1 and R2, आपको मिलेगा 1 3 2 5. This is A inverse. So simultaneously, don't forget to interchange even the right hand side. ये बहुत important है. Sometimes what we do when we go with the flow, we forget to do this step and later on realize, okay, we have missed out. Because complete answer आपको यही part दे रहा है with the changes. Then you have to make this as 0, the second one. Now for that, R2 is 2, हमें इस 1 के साथ इसको adjust करना पड़ेगा. R2 will change as R2 minus 2R1. This is the easiest way to make anything 0. जो भी आपका 1 वाला term, because before we'll always do the one thing, subtract that with the same number multiplied to R1. So now after this जो आपका आंसर यहाँ पे बच रहा है, that will be, I'm doing it here, top part पे देखो यहाँ पे. So अब R1 में कोई change नहीं है, it is 1 and 3 only. R2 is 2 minus 2 which is 0. ये बनेगा 5 minus 6 because 3 into 2 करेंगे, which is minus 1. A inverse. Same pattern to the right hand side. R1 में no changes. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Third step, as I told, आपको इसको 1 करना है. We already have minus 1, तो हमें बहुत नहीं सोचना पड़ेगा. R2 को minus 1 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. यहाँ जो भी नंबर आएगा, if it's like 5, हम 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. If it's like minus 7, we'll divide it by minus 7. That's the easiest way to make this as 1. So now 1 3 0 1. A inverse is equal to 0 1. अब यहाँ पे because we are dividing it by minus 1, sign change हो जाएगा. Okay. Now we'll move to the next part, which is your final step to make this 0. तो R1 में 0 करना है. R1 minus 3R2. As I already told you, इसको just इसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. So it becomes 1 0 0 1. A inverse. And this part will become 0 minus of minus 3R2, so which is your 3, 1 minus of minus 6, so minus 5, and this is minus 1, 2. So ये आपका जो final answer है, it is A inverse, which is 3 minus 5 minus 1 and this value will be your inverse value. Okay, clear? This method was elementary transformation for 2 by 2. Now when we do it by 3 for the 3 by 3 matrix, बहुत सारे steps बढ़ जाते हैं definitely. यहाँ पे भी pattern same होगा. पहले आप A11 जो है, जो आपका ये वाला कॉलम है, इसको 1 बनाओगे, फिर इन दोनों को 0 करोगे, फिर इसको 1 बनाओगे, फिर इन दोनों को 0 करोगे, एंड फिर इसको 1 बना के इनको 0 करोगे विद द रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. नाउ सेम थिंग व्हेन वी गो विद द कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. ये 1 बनेगा, ये दोनों 0, देन दिस वन, दीज टू 0 एंड दिस वन एंड दीज टू 0, and we'll get the final answer. One example of this row transformation we'll see when we are doing the applications of this particular chapter. Now I'm moving to the second part, which is dealing with the adjoint method. Now in case of adjoint method, हम एक नए term सीख रहे हैं. These terms are known as minors and cofactors. Now for a 2 by 2 matrix, minors are very, very easy to calculate. Okay. So let's see, let's take any 2 by 2 matrix over here. If we are going with a 2 by 2 matrix, कोई भी बेसिक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. One, 2, 5 and 7. This is a so first step. तो as I said, आपको determinant लेना पड़ेगा. That's 7 minus 10, which is minus 3. Now since A is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Is this clear? Now we are finding out the minors and cofactors of all its 4 elements. 4 elements हैं, 4 places हैं, तो हमें 4 minors मिलेंगे and 4 cofactors मिलेंगे, which will write in this manner. This mannerism is going to help you with here and M22. For M11, leave the first term, क्योंकि ये 1 1 वाली position है, वो row and that column. When you leave that, you are left with 7. M12, leave this one, 2, this row and this column, you're left with 5. M21, 5 and this, you're left with 2, and M22, you're left with 1. Then we'll find out adjoints. इसी के नीचे लिखना. It becomes easier to do the question later on if you write like this. Now for the adjoint, the formula is minus 1 to the power of I plus j into mij. So it means अगर I plus j आपका even होगा, so minor and cofactor are going to be same. If I plus j is odd, your cofactor will be of a different sign. So here A11 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into 7, answer will be 7. A12 minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 into 5, answer will be minus 5 because power आपका odd हो गया है. Here A21 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2, which is equal to minus 2, again power is odd, and A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 1, answer is 1. So you got the 4 cofactors. Now using these 4 cofactors will make a matrix known as adjoint of the given matrix. That's why the name is given as adjoint method. Now this adjoint matrix is actually the transpose of the matrix of cofactor. 7 minus 5 minus 2 and 1 इसका transpose. Small t या एक dash दे सकते हो आप, and your answer will come as 7 minus 5 minus 2 and 1. Once you get this value, which is your adjoint, A inverse आपको बहुत simply directly मिल जाता है with the formula that A inverse is 1 upon mod of A adjoint of A. 1 upon mod of A is minus 3, आपकी value determinant की है, and यहाँ पे 7 minus 2 minus 5 and 1. I hope it's getting clear. है एक छोटा सा ट्रिक दे रही हूं मैं इस जगह पे. जो कि आपको बहुत ईजी कर देगा टू फाइंड आउट वेदर यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड द थिंग करेक्टली, एज वेल एज इन केस इफ इट कम्स इन MCQs आप करेक्ट आंसर ईजिली गेस कर सकते हो तुरंत. द ट्रिक इज इन केस ऑफ 2x2 मैट्रिक्स, ओके, जो आपका प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल है वो इंटरचेंज होगा. लाइक हियर इट वाज 1 7, इट विल बिकम 7 and 1, एंड जो अदर डायगोनल है उसका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. दैट होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर एनी 2x2 मैट्रिक्स फॉर फाइंडिंग इनवर्स. फाइन. नाउ वी हैव सीन बोथ द मेथड्स, adjoint as well as the elementary transformation method. अब ये जो मेथड्स आप यूज कर रहे हो, वेयर एग्जैक्टली आर वी गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट? इन केस ऑफ, let me just make it fast this, 3x3 मैट्रिक्स एक हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं क्विकली बाय adjoint method. Okay, so we have find the adjoint of the following matrix. We can use this to get the A inverse also. So let's say A is 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 3 5 minus 2 0 and minus 1. Once you have this, first step as I said has to be finding out the determinant of A. Determinant निकालने के लिए 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 0 प्लस 1 हियर. डिटरमिनेंट का रूल हमने पिछले वीडियो में देखा हुआ है कि कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, सो प्लीज रेफर टू दैट. 0 plus 6. सो यहाँ आपका डिटरमिनेंट बन रहा है 1 into minus 3 plus 1 into 12 plus 2 into 6, which is minus 3 plus 12 plus 12, that's 21. Now since determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Clear? Once we can find out that it exists, now we have to find out its minors and cofactors. एक big table, पूरा पेज अच्छे से लेना वहाँ पे, so that you can do the calculations neatly over there. That is very important. Now when you take this, first हम ले रहे हैं M11, second I'm already making the place for M12, third I'm making it for M13. Then I'm going with below A11, A12 and A13. Leaving a line or two lines and then you make M21. एक तो वो नीट भी दिखेगा और अगर आपको कोई कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ी तो you can definitely have space to do that. So A21, A22, A23 and then M31, 32, M33 along with A31, A32 and A33. इसका भी एक ट्रिक मैं आपको दूंगी कि किस तरीके से या कहाँ पे ये साइंस चेंज होते हैं. पहला लेट्स से M11, लीव दिस फर्स्ट रो, लीव दिस फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये जो आपके 4 बच रहे हैं ना, इनका कैलकुलेट करना है हमें डिटरमिनेंट. तो 3 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 0, तो माइनस 3 माइनस 0 विच इज माइनस 3. A11 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minus 3 which is coming as minus 3, क्योंकि पावर आपका इवन हो रहा है. M12, leave this row, this column, minus 2 into minus 1, 2 plus 10 which is 12, and A12 आपका बनेगा minus 1 to the power 3 into 12 which is minus 12. Third, M13, leave this part, minus 2 into 0, 3 into minus 6, so 0 plus 6 which is 6. A13 is minus 1 to the power 4 into 6 which is 6. M21, now leave this row, this column, जहाँ पे ये M21 exist कर रहा है. So minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 minus 0. A21 is minus 1 to the power of 3 into 1. Answer is minus 1. M22, leave this row and this column because this is your M22 term. So 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1, minus of minus 2 into 2 is plus 4, that is 3, and this will become minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3, which is 3. M23 when we go with, this is the term, leave this column, this row, so 1 into 0 and value minus 2 into minus 1, 0 plus 2, which is 2, and then your A23 is actually equal to minus 1 to the power of 5 into 2, which is minus 2. Last row which we have come to minus 3, minus 2 this, so minus 5, minus 6, which is equal to minus 11, and A31 is minus 1 to the power of 4, minus 11, which is minus 11. M32 ये वाला टर्म है आपका, तो ये कॉलम, दिस रो विल बी मिस्ड. 5 plus 4, which is 9. So this is minus 1 to the power of 5 into 9, which is minus 9. Next we are going with M33, last one. So 1 into 3 minus 2, which is 1, and this is minus 1 to the power of 6 into 1, which is 1. So you can see that ये आपके कोफैक्टर्स की वैल्यूज मिल गई हैं. अब जब मैं ये कोफैक्टर्स से क्या बना रही हूं, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए, सेम मैनर में आप लिख रहे हो, इसीलिए मैंने इसको इस फॉर्म में लिखने को बोला है, क्योंकि इट बिकम्स ईजी फॉर यू टू राइट देम इन द प्रॉपर मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म. minus 3 minus 12 6, next minus 1 3 minus 2, third minus 11 minus 9 and 1, इसका ट्रांसपोज. अब एक चीज आप यहां पे ध्यान दे दो, अगेन एज अ हिंट, कि ये जो 4 पोजीशंस हैं आपकी जो रोम्बस बना रही हैं, इन चारों का साइन चेंज हो रहा है, बाकियों का एज सच सेम साइन है. So you don't have to bother so much while calculating. You just know कि यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, the rhombus part, okay, diamond shape, वहाँ पे साइन चेंज होगा, rest not. Okay, using this now, since we have already got the adjoint, up we can easily find out the inverse. So the inverse of this is A inverse, as the method is 1 upon mod of A, adjoint of A, mod of A हमने calculate किया था वहाँ पे, that was coming as 18 I think. इसका adjoint में minus 3 minus 12 6, rows will become columns, columns will become rows. This is your answer. Okay, so another method, definitely long method, but it will be a worth 4-pointer or 4-marker question which we need to know. Now one more thing of this or application of this is applying it to get the solution of simple, you can say the 2-variable linear equations or 3-variable linear equations. So यहाँ पे जब भाई 2-variable linear equation हम करते हैं, a1x plus a2y is equal to c1, a2x plus a2, make it b1, that will be easier for you, plus b1y, यहाँ पे b2y is equal to c2. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए डेफिनेटली आपने 9th-10th ग्रेड में पढ़ा हुआ था कि हम साइमल्टेनियस कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. यहाँ पे वी आर यूजिंग द मैट्रिक्स मेथड. हम 3 मैट्रिसेस बनाएंगे, a1 b1 a2 b2, then we'll make another one which is your x, that's of the variables, and the third one is b, which is your last number constants, and ax is equal to b. To calculate the value of x, x is actually A inverse of B. So A inverse will calculate, or we can calculate by any of the method and then multiply it by B to get the value of x and y. Okay, यहाँ पे भी आपके जो normal methods हो रहे हैं. Let's see. There are two methods. One is method of inversion, where we get the A inverse by any of the previous methods and multiply, and the other is method of reduction. Okay, so I am showing you one question by the method of inversion over here, and the second one will go with method of reduction. Let's see a question over here. Method of inversion. Equation है आपके x minus y plus z is 4. The second one is 2x plus y minus 3z is 0. And the third one is x plus y plus z is equal to 2. So it's 1 minus 1. This is your A first matrix. 1, 2, 1 and minus 3, 1, 1 and 1. B is going to be 4, 0 and 2, and definitely we know x is x, y, z because आपके 3 variables यहाँ पे missing हैं. When we go with the question, ax is equal to b. So 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1, x, which is your x, y, z is equal to 402. This question has to be now solved. अब इसकी solving में इस पूरे term को we'll try to make as A inverse. Okay. So for A inverse of this, first we'll check whether A inverse exists or not. So जब आप इसका mod calculate कर रहे हो, that is your determinant value. Okay. So you can see that the determinant value is coming as 10. So A inverse definitely exists. Okay. So once you get this, inverse exists, and now we'll calculate the A inverse. This A inverse I am showing you by the method of elementary transformation. When I did the transformation, मैंने आपको 2 by 2 का दिखाया था elementary transformation, and I told कि मैं 3 by 3 को application में दिखाऊंगी. So let me show the A inverse by the elementary transformation method. So now we have the full A value over there, and definitely I am not saying it's a big question. बहुत बड़ा question होता है. अगर आपके पास पेपर में टाइम नहीं है और उन्होंने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है, आप ये मेथड ऑप्ट मत करना. गो फॉर रिडक्शन. जस्ट बिकॉज दे समटाइम्स स्पेसिफाई, तो हमारे पास ऑप्शन नहीं बचता है. ओके, सो A inverse and A is I. 1 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 3, 1, 1 and 1. This A inverse is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. First step पे we have to see that this term is 1, already 1 है, some work is done for you. इन दोनों को 0 करना है. Okay, for that R2 is R2 minus 2R1, and simultaneously हम ये R3 भी कर रहे हैं, that is R3 minus R1. दोनों को R1 के साथ ही डील करना है. What are we left with now? R1 में तो कोई changes नहीं है. 2 minus 2 is 0, 1. Minus of minus 2, this thing has become minus of minus 2, so it will become 1 plus 2, which is 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus of minus 1 is 2 and 0. Same thing अब हम लाएंगे इस साइड, सेम वे में जाएंगे. पहली लाइन को कुछ नहीं करना है. R2 minus 2R1, तो 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 1, 0, and this is 0, 0, 0 -1 दिस इज, तो -1 0 एंड 1. एज डिस्कस्ड, अब आप ये पोजिशन को 1 करोगे. फॉर दैट टेक 3 कॉलम कॉमन हियर. सो टू डू दैट आप R2 में क्या करोगे, 1/3 R2. सो वंस यू डू दिस ऑटोमेटिकली ये आपको 3 कॉमन मिल जाएगा एंड ये टर्म 1 हो जाएगा. बाकियों को कुछ चेंज नहीं करेंगे. 0 दिस बिकम्स 1, दिस इज -5/3, 0 2 0. A inverse is equal to, same thing we are doing here, 1 0 0, 2/3 -2/3 -1/3, 0 -1 0 and 1. Okay, now dealing with these two terms, इनको 0 कन्वर्ट करना है. Okay, again I know थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग मेथड है ये. Okay, थोड़ा सा बोरिंग भी हो जाता है, बट इफ़ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट विद मी तो आपको थोड़ा इजीली समझ में आएगा कि स्टेप्स हो क्या रहे हैं, क्योंकि अदरवाइज ये डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. सो लेट्स डू R1 एज, क्योंकि ये 1 आ चुका है, 0 बनाना है, तो R1 + R2 एंड R3 एज R3 - 2R1. सो 1 + 0 1, -1 + 0 1 0, and 1 + -5/3. So this will become 1 - 5/3, which is -2/3. At the same time दूसरा हमारी लाइन एकदम एज सच ही रहेगी, उसमें हम कुछ चेंजेस नहीं कर रहे हैं. लास्ट वन R3 - 2R1, तो 0 - 2R2 सॉरी, 0 - 0 0, 2 - 2 0, and 0 minus this becomes -10/3 plus 10/3. A inverse is equal to, same thing, इस साइड करने में थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है बिकॉज यहाँ चीज़ें 0 नहीं बन के कॉम्प्लिकेट होंगी. सो 1 + -2/3 is 1 - 2/3, which is 1/3. This is -1/3, this is 0. ये लाइन हमारी ऐसे ही है. लास्ट होगी आपकी R3 - 2R2, तो -1 + 4/3, which is 1/3, 0 + 2/3, and this is 1. अब ये टर्म आपको क्या करना है, 1. ओके, सो डिवाइड R3/10/3, तो ये बन जाएगा 3/10 into R3. जस्ट पुट इट देयर फास्ट, देन विल गेट 1 0 - 2/3, बिकॉज बाकी दोनों रोज में वी डोंट हैव टू डू एनी एडजस्टमेंट. जो चेंज है वो लास्ट में आएगा, 0 0 1. A इनवर्स, यहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट 2 को एज सच रखना है, देयर इज नो चेंज एट ऑल. जो चेंज आ रहा है वो इस पार्ट में आएगा, एंड देन विल गेट 3/10 into 1/3 becomes 1/10. This is 2/3 into 3/10 is becomes, ये 3 will get cancelled, 1/5, and this is 3/10. Okay, once you get, अब आपको ये दोनों 0 करना है, which we can do simultaneously. एक साथ लिखेंगे हम लोग R1 as R1 plus 2/3 R3, क्योंकि ये -2/3 है तो ऐड होने पे 0 हो जाएगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इज R2 as R2 plus 5/3 R3, क्योंकि ये माइनस है तो प्लस होते ही वो 0 होगा. ओके, सो नाउ व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दिस, ये तो बिकॉज हमारा मेन मोटिव ही इसके लिए था, तो ये आपका 0 1 0 अपने आप आ रहा है. आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके, विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. यहाँ पे R1 plus 2/3 R3, तो ये 1/10 है आपका. सो राइट हैंड साइड में वी हैव टू बी स्लाइटली मोर कॉन्शियस विद द थिंग्स. यहाँ पे आपका R1 plus 2/3 R3 में ये ऐड करना है. सो 1/3 plus 2/3 multiplied by 1/10. Okay, this is what we have to do over here. So this will become 1/3 plus 2/30. जब आप इसको LCM की तरह ले रहे हो, that's 30. रफ में प्लीज डू दैट. 12 by 30 we are getting, which can be written as 6 by 4 by 10. Even though इसको हम by 5 पे भी कर सकते हैं, but क्योंकि 10 कॉमन जाएगा तो it will become easier for us to do that. Okay. Now the next part is minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into R3. Your R3 value was 1 by 5 over here. Okay. So minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. You calculate that, minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 15. Okay. And then it will become minus 3 by 15, which is again 1 by 5 पे आ जाएगा. 0 plus this, so 2 by 3 into 3 by 10, it will be 1 by 5 again यहाँ पे. Same thing we are going to go with this, R2 plus 5 by 3 into R3. So R2 is minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into 10, which is 1 by 6. So जब आप इसको LCM ले रहे हो, 6 over here minus 4 plus 1, so which is minus 3 by 6, that's minus 1 by 2. Similar way में we are calculating the rest of the values here. Minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into 1 by 5, which is 0, and then 0 plus 5 by 3 into 3 by 10, which is 1 by 2. So we are getting these terms. Last term हमारा as such वही रहेगा, which was there, 1 by 10, 1 by 5 and 3 by 10. Okay. Now this term, ये जो आपका final आ गया है, this is your actually A inverse. Now once you get this final A inverse, I am going directly with here. इन्होंने दूसरा method use किया हुआ है, but the same thing is there. When we calculate A inverse, आप यहाँ से 1 by 10 common ले लोगे, so you are left with the terms over there. That's 4, 2 and this, and multiplied by B. B was 402, and the final answer actually gives you the value of x, y and z, which on comparison you can write x is 2, y is minus 1, z is 1. So this is one way in which inverse can be applied into our day-to-day life situation. The other is method of reduction, always advisable. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं specify किया है, हम method of reduction ही करेंगे. So in method of reduction, this is the last part of the chapter as such. We'll reduce the particular matrix in either upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Now upper triangular matrix का मतलब क्या होता है, या lower triangular में कि आपके diagonal के या तो ऊपर के सारे numbers को zero करो या फिर नीचे के सारे numbers को zero करो. So let's take a small question over here, how to convert that. So if we have a matrix like A आपका आ रहा है, the question is 2x minus y is minus 2. Then you have 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. So A becomes 2 minus 1, 3, 4. X, y आपका same है, and then you are getting last one as minus 2 and 3. Simultaneously ये question चलेगा. We'll try to make this 0 to make it as a triangular matrix. इसको जीरो करने के लिए what we have to do, ये केवल रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से हो सकता है. This cannot happen by column transformation. Keep that in mind. So this is 3. तो R2 को multiply this by 2R2 minus 3R1. दोनों का LCM आ जाएगा and वो जीरो दे देगा आपको सीधे. Okay? So what are we getting over here when we put it? 2 minus 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 3s are 6, so which is 0. Now 4 2s are 8, here it is 8 minus 3 into 1, so plus 3, which is 11. Okay, this is x y, इसमें कोई change नहीं है, इसमें same change आएगा. Minus 2 is same. 2R2 means 2 into 3 6 minus 3 into minus 2, which is becoming your 12. As soon as you get this, your question is done. अब आपको सिंपली लिखना है मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में 2x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू -2 एंड 11y इज इक्वल टू 12. सो फ्रॉम हियर y की वैल्यू मिल गई विच इज 12/11 एंड जब आप ये y की वैल्यू को यहाँ पे पुट कर दोगे आपको x की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. दैट्स 2x माइनस 12/11 is equal to -2 or you can say 2x is equal to -2 plus 12/11. आपको फाइनल आंसर वहीं पे मिल जाएगा. तो x will become -5/11. So reduction method becomes easier over here. आपको हाफ वर्क ही करना है, जस्ट किसी टर्म को जीरो पे लाना है बस वहां पे. Okay, so this was altogether your matrices sessions, which started with the introduction to matrices, various kinds of matrix. Then second was the basic multiplication, addition, subtraction. And third, the most important part was inverse. Inverse, please practice more, because unless and until you do the practice, you won't be able to do it fluently in the examination. So all the best. I'll meet you with some other topic next one. Bye-bye. See you.